If you're wondering also that how you can find simply the best site for the working promo codes or discounts code available for any website here. For this, open your browser and search for the OLYMP trade promo codes which we want to get in this video. And here you will see the first website, that is vthrift. vthrift is a genuine website you can trust for the working queue or promo codes. As you can see on the home page, there is different coupons available: 10% off on OLYMP trade plus 30% bonus on the deposit on OLYMP trade. You simply have to click on the left of any code here. Whenever you will scroll down, you will see more OLYMP trades or OLYMP trade promo codes available: 50% deposit or 30% off, 50% off. Different types of code are here. To copy any code, you simply have to click on this copy button from the right of any QR or promo code or any discount offer here. You simply have to copy it and then paste it on the payment page on OLYMP trade. This is how you can actually do it. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such videos and amazing reviews like that. Thank you so much for watching this.